Passive income can be a terrific strategy to help you generate extra cash, whether you have a side job or are just looking for a little extra money each month. Passive income might help you earn more during good times and tide you over if you become abruptly unemployed or willingly take time off from work. With passive income, you can have money flowing in while still working your primary job, or if you're able to build up a solid stream of passive income, you might want to relax a little. If you're considering creating a passive income stream, take a look at the best passive income ideas in 2022. 1. Creating course. One popular method for generating passive income is to create an audio or video course, then sit back and watch the money stream in from the sale of your product. Courses can be published and sold on sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. A course can be a good revenue stream because money can be made quickly after the initial investment of time. 2. Writing an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a smart way to take advantage of low-cost publication and even use Amazon's global distribution to bring your book in front of millions of potential buyers. Because they rely on your own skills, ebooks can be quite short, about 30 to 50 pages, and inexpensive to produce. You'll need to be an expert on a specific issue, but it could be niche and require some unique skills or qualities that few people possess but which many readers require. 3. Affiliate marketing. Most bloggers and influencers use affiliate marketing to promote a third party's product by providing a link to the product on their website or social media account. We can earn a commission when a visitor clicks on the link and purchases a product. The commission might range from 3 to 10%. 4. Sell photo online. Selling photos online may not seem like the most obvious place to start a passive business, but it may allow you to expand your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photographs often. You may do this by collaborating with a company like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get started, you must first be accepted by the platform, after which you must license your images for use by anyone who downloads them. The platform will pay you every time your photo is used. 5. Creating blog or YouTube channel. Do you love playing game? Or like writing? Turn your hobby for a subject into a blog or a YouTube channel, and monetize it with adverts or sponsors. Find a popular topic, even if it is a small niche, and become an expert in it. You'll need to generate a suite of content and attract an audience initially, but as you become known for your engaging content, it can provide a stable income stream over time. 6. Sponsored post. Do you have a sizable following on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok? Get rising consumer brands to pay you to post about their product or showcase it in your feed in some way. However, you'll need to continually building your profile with material that appeals to your target demographic. That involves continuing to develop social media postings that expand your reach and engage your fans. 7. Dividend stocks. Shareholders in firms with dividend-yielding stocks receive a payout from the company on a regular basis. Companies pay cash dividends out of their profits on a regular basis, and all you have to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid on a per-share basis. So the more shares you own, the greater your dividend. Owning dividend-paying stocks can be one of the most passive ways to make money because the income is unrelated to any action other than the initial financial investment. The funds will be put directly into your brokerage account. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.